I screwed up. I should have told you before now. Take this out on me. Be mad at me, but please, just don't hurt Toothless.
The dragon? That's what you're worried about? Not the people you almost killed?
Just protecting me. He's not dangerous.
They killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them.
Is this the moment where I look you in the eye? Forgive my broken promise that you'll never see me cry. And everything, it will surely change, even if I tell you I won't go away today. Will you think that you're all alone when no one's there to hold your hand? When all you know seems so far away and everything is temporary, rest your hand. Permanent.
This whole marriage is what you want. Do you ever bother to ask what I want? No! I'd rather...
I know he's living in hell every single day. So I ask, oh God, is there some way for me to take his place? And when they say it's so touch and go, I wish I could make it go away. But still you say